Peter's doing the body mount work.
What is going on, everyone? Jimmo back, and today we're going to be looking at some UV Cure primer. But first, we're going to fix up a little dent here with my friend Chase. We've got a little tiny ding right on this fender edge that's been kind of pushed out as best as we could and straightened. And we'll just use a little bit of 2-part putty to block that straight, and then we'll apply a UV Cure primer. So the UV scene has been exploding. The technology seems to be getting better every day. We've got some UV putty out that seems to be pretty useful in the field. The UV light technology is kind of where it's at. I've shown you the SBDI system before, which, I mean, carries a hefty price tag, and but it cures this primer in like 2 seconds. But you're gonna see this one here takes a little bit longer, but it's still way quicker than, you know, waiting for it to air dry or throwing an IRT light, for instance, to bake it quicker. So it's a very cool technology. Let's check it out. I've got my Walcom gun collection going, and we're gonna have some fun.
800? Yeah.
So we're going to be using the Glasurit 151-170 UV primer, and we're going to hit this with a half coat followed by a full coat, and we're using the new Walcom Kombat HTE Sealer primer gun here, and it's got a 1.3, which is a little bit big for this recommendation. It's actually a 1.1, so we're going to go a little bit lighter, and we're going to use the Specular FX light to cure this. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to do that. And we want to make sure we've got a full cure, otherwise we can experience some potential paint problems down the road if this primer is not cured all the way through.
You're one coat guy?
For this stuff, yeah.
I want to make sure it builds.
Well, it's a 1.3 on there.
Fuck, it's only this because it's small.
It's good, man. That's good. Alright, here we go. Ready? Set. Bigger than I wanted. It might be like a 3-minute mission. They recommend a 1.1 with this primer.
1.1?
1.1, really small tip. If you build this primer too thick,
won't dry.
It'll start to peel up. See, yeah, if you hammer it on, it won't cure all the way through because the light doesn't get down to the bottom.
You guys all right in here? Hey, who is it? Oh, nothing. Who's the guy?
You get laid. This stuff I find lays smooth, like no texture in it.
Oh, nice. When you sand it, sands all out good.
You can already hear the people in the comments. Sand in the roof.
Fuck, did it ever go on then?
Alright, melt away your troubles.
Now what do you do with that? Melt away your trouble, no, like in here.
Just on the edges?
Yeah, man.
Or just over it?
It's like you're blending out clear.
Look it up. But he says that one's good for base oil, so.
This one?
Yeah. Looks like it put on pretty well.
Goes on wet.
Yeah. Well, I like that base good. Yeah, go get some clear, man.
Okay? Actually puts it on there, right? I could probably go up a little bit with it.
Yeah.
That was at 24.
That's pretty good. What clear is that? 230?
2400.
Ready? You can see the dirt. Let's give it a little berry.
What? Ready for it?
Can you see the dent? That's the question.
Hey?
So can we see the dent? That's the question.
No, man.
That's good.
Yeah. No, a good body, man.
Shit goes on heavy, eh?
It's nice. Yeah, look.
I was at, probably could go up 20, I was at 24.5.
Yeah, get her dialed in, man. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's a good, good clear.
Yeah, done.
Not seeing any sign of that dent or any waves on black. That's pretty good.
So there we have it, another one down the road in no time, and that's gonna do her. So thanks as always for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Any questions you have, throw me a comment below, and check out the Instagram feed for the latest.